Madrid marks BTS' first concert in Europe, and today, day one, the soundcheck kicked off with the same incredible energy we have all been waiting for. But one thing everyone couldn't stop talking was the scorching heat. Temperatures were around 32°C to 34°C, and for many Europeans, that felt like absolute oven. Looking at JiKook's outfit, it seems this moment was where JiKook were coming to the stadium by same car together. Many of us initially thought Jimin had colored his hair because his head was completely covered earlier, but nope, it turns out it's the same hair color he had during the Dio event. Let's dive into some fan-captured moments from the soundcheck. It looks like today's soundcheck wrapped up a little earlier than expected, most likely because of the intense heat. And a huge thank you as always to the amazing armies who shared these fan cams. Thanks to all of you, I am able to bring these moments to the rest of the army family here. So sit back, relax and enjoy.
Wow! 아유, 다행이다.